few years ago, there was done an experimentation at the University of Georgia and Uruguay. High school students were asked to draw an equilateral triangle, a square, a regular pentagon, and a regular hexagon. Only 20% of the students were able to draw a regular pentagon, while all the other figures were done by the majority of the students. So I asked myself why the pentagon, the regular pentagon, is so little known among high school students. And so now I'm going to present you the best construction of the regular pentagon with a ruler and a compass. And not only the best one and most and the simplest, not only that, but also I'm going to give you all the rational step by step why this construction works. And it's exact. Okay? Well, let's start with the side of the pentagon. The side, we're going to take 6 centimeters. Of course, we could take any length of the sides. 6 centimeters. Now we are going to draw a perpendicular line. Let's call this A and B. A perpendicular line that we could do with regular and compass, but we are going to do it with just with a square. And we are going to take half of the side AB. That is 3 centimeters. Let's call this point P. And now, this is a right angle. And now I'm going to write the ray AP, and this is 6, this is 3, and take the size of BP, which is 3. I'm going to rotate it and take it to a point. I'm going to call it Q. Well, let's check how it's going Q. Pretty good. Well, AQ is going to be the diagonal of the pentagon, which I'm going to show you, explain you why in the next video we're going to record. So if AQ is the diagonal, I do a circle center in A, and another arc of circle inserted in B, and I'm going to get one vertex of the pentagon. A, B, C, let's call this D. And now we have to find the other 2 vertices, which are at 6 centimeters from B and at 6 centimeters from D. So that's when I'm going to get a C, vertex C. And so when we go similarly to the other side, I draw a circle centered in A and another circle centered in D, and I'm going to get E. We have the 5 vertices of the regular pentagon. We join the points. And we get the pentagon clearly without any lines crossing over it. We got the regular pentagon. If you look it around, it looks pretty regular. Of course, when you draw, you may have some very little errors. No, but let's check if the diagonals are all okay. This diagonal AC should be equal to this one, which is equal to this one. All the 5 diagonals are equal. So If we draw the diagonals, one diagonal, a second diagonal, a third diagonal, this one, and this one, what do we get? We get the famous 5-point regular star, which is in the stars of many countries that we can show in a picture. Many countries have in their flags the 5 regular point star. So this construction works for constructing the regular pentagon and also the 5-point regular star. Okay, in the next video we are going to explain why this is true, why this is regular, not just by the figure, not just by measuring, by mathematically, why this is exact.